In this video, I'm going to show you one of the Tradingview indicator that gives you confirmed future signals, and most of the signals that are given by this indicator turns to be very profitable. And if you look at these signals, they are quite amazing and they are providing you with the right knowledge of the market as well. So you know that the Forex, crypto and the stock market basically moves up and down. So this is the fantastic indicator to find out that where from the market can be possibly up and where from the market can be possibly down. Okay, so this will play its role during that time. Okay, so we are going to talk about each and everything about this indicator in the same video. So before I jump into this video, so guys, please visit the website fxmentorus.com. You can find the link of the website from the description of this video below. The first of all, we have services like we are providing the best private indicators and the coaching service, and I have given the best broker link on my website. You can see you can register from here. I'm using this broker from 2015 and never had any problems. It is one of the fastest and regulated brokers. And moreover, guys, you can see on the website that we are providing the articles, we are providing the strategies about the Forex, crypto and the stock market, and they are completely free to read on the website. So please visit the website, because many good strategies in the form of articles and in the form of very easy manner they are provided so that you can profit from the trading market. Okay guys, moreover, if you go to the indicator page here on our website, then you can see the first indicator is the swing trading guru. You can find all details that gives you the buy and sell signals. The second indicator is all about the bank indicator, and you can book the private indicator by contacting on Telegram, or you can also email us as well. And the third and most powerful coaching program, that is only the 1 hour coaching program, no time waste, no lot of strategies, just one strategy, and you will be going to make profits from the Forex market. And you can see I have posted the reviews about the students on my website, so please find all details about it from the website. Okay, now coming back to the video, so I'm going to delete that indicator from my list here, and let's open any chart. And now I'm going to the indicator section. Here you need to write order, okay, OFA. Okay, so you need to write OFA, that is called order flow analysis. So when you write OFA, order flow analysis, then this indicator will come. That is the name of the author is Flow State, and you can see 1797 likes are already there on that indicator. Okay guys, so first of all, you need to understand this indicator, because we cannot blindly follow any indicator, right? Okay, so first of all, you need to understand the mechanism that how it is providing us the buy and sell signal. So basically this indicator is working on the basis of fractals. So when there is a breakout on any fractal, then it is providing us with the signal. So we need to use these signals very carefully, because we are not going to blindly trust all the signals. Okay, so it will keep on adjusting itself, but still this is quite powerful to make a very good profit, because I'm going to show you in this video as well. Okay, now you can use this indicator on any time frame. It doesn't matter you are trading Forex, crypto and the stock market. So right now this is the gold 15-minute picture here. Okay, now I'm going to the indicator section here, and I'm just going to write EMA, and now you can see I have moving average exponential in front of my screen. Okay, now I click that moving average exponential. Okay, so we are just going to okay, just a second please, because there is little issue. Here we have. Okay, now guys, you can see I'm going to the settings of the EMA, and now you can see by default the EMA length will be 9. I'm going to change it to 200, and now I'm going to give it a white color, and I'm going to give it a improved thickness here in my video. You can see now this indicator is going to help you a lot, because if you just look at this, what's going on, the market is below the 200 EMA. We are completely into the downtrend. So when we are into the downtrend, then we can filter out very easy entries for our chart. You know that when the market is into the downtrend, you can see here it has provided us that this could be a possible peak for the market, and you can see after that the market is retraced back. Okay, now I do not advise you to go with the buy signals, because because when it will adjust, it can go further down and it will keep on adjusting this line. So this will be a wrong picture. Like for example, you can enter from here. Okay, so right now if we just have a look, it is providing us a selling opportunity. So once we have a one bearish candle closed at that moment, then we can go for the selling opportunity. So guys, use this indicator, because you just guys do not practice with the indicators and you just say that this is not working. No, the things works, but you are actually not dealing in a right way. Like you can see here, the market on Euro USD 15 minute, it was below the 200 EMA. So let the market come up first, and when it plots the sell signal to you, then go and take a sell position. So we should not go against the trend, because whenever you try to jump against the trend, then you make the loss. Okay, now what you see, the price is above the 200 EMA. Okay, so now this could be a possible chance that when the market comes down and then it tries to go up, it will be above the 200 EMA, and most likely we are going to get the signal somewhere here, so we can enter into the buy position. So this is well, I mean, use this indicator, but with a proper care according to the trend confirmation. Okay, one more thing, this is not important that you are just going to use the 200 EMA. If you have any other better indicator that is giving you a very good trend direction, then go with it, but just find the retracement levels, the reversals levels from these indicators, because they are quite fantastic about this indicator. So guys, what do you think about this video? Let me know into the comment section. Moreover guys, please subscribe the channel, and those who want to book the lifetime version of our private indicators, and those who want to book the amazing 1 hour market maker session, please find all details on fxmentorus.com. Please like, subscribe and share.